Welcome to the material session of Pulsar's Career Point. This is a video for the student of class 11 on Unit 2. The name of the unit is Atomic Structure. This is the part 3 video of this unit covering the topics isotopes, isobars, isotones, isoelectronics, isosters, and isodiaphers. Now, let us know what are isotopes. Isotopes कहले काहाको बुझिबा atoms of same element having different mass number are called isotopes. परमाणु क्रमांक समान थाई वस्तुत्व संख्या अलग हेले आमे ताको आइसोटोप बोली कहि थाउ. Examples: two isotopes of carbon are carbon 612 and carbon 614. Two isotopes of oxygen are oxygen 816 and oxygen 818. Two isotopes of chlorine are chlorine 1735 and chlorine 1737. Three isotopes of hydrogen are hydrogen 11, hydrogen 12 and hydrogen 13. There is protium, deuterium and tritium respectively. Now, let us come to know what are the different characteristics of isotopes. They have same atomic number, they have different mass number, they have same number of protons and electrons but different number of neutrons. जेहेतु एमानकर एटॉमिक नंबर समान थाए तो इलेक्ट्रॉन प्रोटॉन संख्या समान रहिबो. जेहेतु मास नंबर अलग थाए तेनु मास नंबर इज नथिंग बट द मास ऑफ न्यूट्रॉन्स एंड प्रोटॉन्स. जेहेतु प्रोटॉन संख्या समान अछि निश्चित भाव में न्यूट्रॉन संख्या डिफर करिबो. They have same position in the periodic table due to same atomic number. They have similar chemical properties due to same number of electrons. They have different physical properties due to different mass number. These are the different characteristics of isotopes. Now let us know what are isobars. Isobars पहले पढ़ बुझिबा. Atoms of different elements having same mass number are called isobars. अर्थात मास नंबर समान था एटॉमिक नंबर अलग है. एटॉमिक नंबर अलग हेले डिफरेंट एलिमेंट्स हेबे. So atoms of different elements having same mass number are called isobars. Examples: carbon 614 and nitrogen 714. Atoms of different element carbon and nitrogen having different atomic number 6 and 7 but having same mass number, that is 14. Argon 1840 and calcium 2040. Different elements argon and calcium having different atomic number 18 and 20 respectively but have same mass number, that is 40. So these are isobars. Characteristics of isobars: they have different atomic number, they have same mass number, they have different number of protons, electrons and neutrons, they have different position in the periodic table, they have different physical and chemical properties. Different times रे distinguish between isotopes and isobars आसे से में पोजीशन करि परिबा. एई कैरेक्टर्स को नै हम तार डिफरेंस लिखि परिबा. Isotopes से same atomic number, isobars से different atomic number. Isotopes से different mass number, isotopes have different mass number but isobars से same mass number. Isotopes have same number of electrons and protons but different number of neutrons, but in case of isobars they have different numbers of electrons, protons and neutrons. Isotopes have different positions in the periodic table. Isotopes have same position in the periodic table but isobars have different position in the periodic table. Isotopes have same chemical properties but different physical properties, but in case of isobars they have different physical and chemical. In this way we can write down the differences. Now isotones. What are isotones? Atoms of different elements having same number of neutrons are called isotones. अर्थात different species जब जो हमारे पास न्यूट्रॉन संख्या समान थी हमें तो isotones वाली कहिबा. Example: fluorine 919 and neon 1020 both have 10 numbers of neutrons. Sodium 1123 and magnesium 1224 both have 12 numbers of neutrons. Potassium 1939 and calcium 2040 both have 20 numbers of neutrons. Aluminum 1327 and silicon 1428 both have 14 numbers of neutrons. Phosphorus 1531 and sulfur 1632 both have 16 number of neutrons. Thus, the species having same number of neutrons are called isotones. Now let us compare isoelectrons. What do you mean by isoelectrons? Different species, maybe atoms, molecules or ions having same number of electrons are called isoelectronics. Same number of electrons thile ame taku isoelectrons boli kaiba. Example, Na plus and Ne both contains 10 electrons. HF, ammonia and water all contains 10 number of electrons. Carbon monoxide and nitrogen both contains 14 number of electrons. CO2 and N2O both contains 22 numbers of electrons. Thus, these are the examples of isoelectrons. Compare isosters. What are called isosters? Different molecules having same number of electrons and atoms are called isosters. समसंख्यक इलेक्ट्रॉन एवं समसंख्यक एटम थिबो तेला आमे ताको आइसोस्टर्स बोली कहबा तेनु आइसोस्टर्स गुडी को आइसो इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स हेबे जेते तक बकर सेम नंबर ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन but all the isoelectrons may or may not be the isosters. Example, CO and N2 both contains 2 number of atoms as well as 14 number of electrons. CO2 and N2O both contains 3 number of atoms and 22 number of electrons. So the species having same number of electrons as well as same number of atoms are called isosters. Isodiaphers, atoms of different elements having same difference of protons and neutrons are called isodiaphers. तो different elements रो सही atom जो माने कोई तरह n minus p difference between neutron and proton equal थिबा हम तो isodiaphers बोली कहबा. Example, carbon 612 and oxygen 816. In both the cases, n minus p is equal to 0. Sodium 1123 and aluminum 1327. In both cases, the difference between neutron and proton is 1. Magnesium 1224 and silicon 1428. In both cases, the difference between neutron and proton is 0. Lithium 37 and boron 511. In both the cases, the difference between neutron and proton is 1. That the species having same difference between neutrons and protons are called isodiaphers. Now, self-assessment 2. Define isotope. Write down its characteristics. What are the different isotopes of hydrogen? What is the difference between 3 isotopes of hydrogen? Calculate the atomic number of the element whose atomic nucleus has mass number 24 and neutron number is 12. What are isobars? Write down their characteristics. What are isotones? Define isosters. What are isoelectronics? Define isodiaphers. Justify all isosters are isoelectronics. All the isoelectronics are isosters. Is it a true statement? Distinguish between isotope and isobar. Try to solve this answer of these questions from this video. Thanks for watching Bubble Search Career Point. Please like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel if you are watching it for the first time. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to get timely updatation of my new video.